on the broadcast now on the first day of Phase 2 of India's vaccination drive against COVID-19 is Dr. Sangeeta Reddy, Joint MD, Apollo Hospitals. Thanks a lot for speaking to CNN News 18. It has been a very tough fight that all the healthcare workers, the government, the private sector together have been fighting against COVID-19. Now that the larger section of the public is going to be coming to your hospitals like yourselves and other government centers, do you think India is in a very good position to not just win the battle but win the war?
So absolutely, I think this is the next good positive step towards winning the war. And this morning we've been vaccinating people across many of our centers across the country in Apollo. And I must begin by saying that I'm really enthused by the great response that so many senior citizens have come forward. They figured out how to register themselves on the CoWIN app. They walked in. They've been truly quite heroic in the methodology in which they've come forward. And we're expecting, so today I think we'll do across the Apollo ecosystem about 4,000 today. The first day will, naturally have a little bit of a learning curve, but we'll be steadily ramping this up because we believe it's in public interest, and we're doing it purely to, kind of serve the people and the community and the country.
The Prime Minister took his jab today as well as the day kick-started. Do you think that will go a long way in reducing the hesitancy? Already by what you're describing, it seems that as far as the general public is concerned, there is not too much hesitancy. What we witnessed perhaps in Phase 1.
So clearly this morning has been very good from what we've seen, and it's no doubt that, the Prime Minister taking it first this morning has been quite inspirational for many people. I believe that, we have to wait and watch, but we must continue the communication about the safety, about the positive effects. And parallelly, I'd request everybody to please continue the communication on the fact that, one jab does not induce complete immunity, and people should continue to wear their masks and maintain social distancing until 3 weeks after the second jab or the second dose. So this is very important that, we shouldn't see people letting down their guard.
Yes. I do have to ask you, Dr. Reddy, there have been some rumblings of how the private sector is not very happy with the price cap. From your point of view as a healthcare provider, but also from the point of view of the vaccine industry, what is your take on the price cap?
So I think the larger interest and the larger purpose of covering the country and the community is critical. As of now, the current price barely covers the cost of effective implementation for the private hospitals. And if you have to monitor them, if they have complications and you're monitoring during this period, it really doesn't cover the cost. But I just want to say that it's important for us in the public interest of bringing the country and the economy back, of saving lives. Let's just move forward with this and not worry about that.
All right. I hope your message on all counts goes far and wide. Dr. Sangeeta Reddy, thanks a lot for speaking to us.